Question number 13 about Carlos and his partner going to Ruby Tuesdays is really, really similar to question number 12, but we're not going to substitute the values in the same spots because we don't have the same information. So we know what their bill was. Their bill was $80. That is the grand total. So we have that information this time. This was our final answer for question number 12, but that's the piece of information that we know this time. 7% tax, we still know that. That's exactly the same as before, so I have to take my 7, divide it by 100, so that I get my tax rate 0.07. We do not know the price of the dinner. So now, that's the piece that we're looking for. So I'm going to put 0.07 in the place of the tax rate. And I'm going to let the letter P stand for the price of the meal. And I'm going to put that off to the side. P equals the price of their dinner. We could let it be X. There's nothing wrong with that. If you're more comfortable using X, you're more than welcome to do that. I'm just using P because I already wrote price up there. All right, so 0.07P plus, and then we have price again. I don't know what the price is, so I need to substitute in P, equals the grand total. That part we do know. We have an 80. And now I have to try to figure it out from here. I notice that I have the exact same variable in both spots. Here, I have 0.07p. Here, how many p's is this? Plus how many p's to equal 80? This is 1p. So these are like terms, and I can add them together. I have 0.07 p's, and then I have 1p. So when I add that together, I get 1.07p is equal to 80. And now from here, I see that all I need to do is divide both sides by 1.07. I'm actually going to do that in purple. 1.07 on both sides. And that will give me my answer for P. When I pop this in my calculator, I get that P is about, because this is a decimal that just keeps going and going and going, 74.7663, and then it just keeps going after that. When we're talking about money, we're always going to round to 2 decimal places. So I'm looking right here. I want 2 decimal places, but I have to look at this third number right here. If that third number is a 5 or bigger, it makes the 1 in front of it go up by 1. So my answer here, let me put this up just a little bit higher. There we go. P is then going to be 74.77. That would be my final answer. One more time, though, they gave me words, which means I need to answer back in a complete sentence. So I would say their dinner cost, and this would be the menu price of all their food and drinks added together, $74.77. There we go.